Hey guys, Mining King here. Today I'm trying to get Ethernet out to my garage just because the speeds out here are a little slow, between like 5 and 10 megabytes per second. I'm running on a Wi-Fi extender down there that's going down to my 15-port switch. So yeah, I need to run Ethernet out to my garage. Now, I do have, the previous owner ran some Ethernet cables to 2 bedrooms, right? So I pulled one up and it's in the attic. So I tried to pull it through to like feed it through to be able to go back to the my router, but I couldn't pull it. It was getting stuck for some reason, and I don't know why. Because it's not getting caught on the little clips, you know, so I don't know what's going on. But anyways, so this is gonna be my little method here, is I put a screwdriver up through the ceiling here. That way I could find the hole that I want to feed down to my, feed it down through my 10. This way I could find it. That's like a 10 or 12 inch long screwdriver. So, because I have the insulation that they just like pump up there, so it's just everywhere. Let me show you the connector I got, and I'll show you where what I'm going to be doing. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, we're in my guest room here. And this is actually where that Ethernet cable used to be. You can see I pulled it through, so it's not there anymore. So this is where the cable came from, and we're gonna be putting it into my garage. All right, guys, so we're in my laundry room here, because this is where my crawl space is right here, and I have my 12-foot ladder. So this is pretty much just a double-sided female connector. It's just gonna be easier this way. So this is what I'm using to connect the Ethernet cables to. So let's go up to the attic. So as you can see, I got all this loose insulation everywhere. You can hear that's my AC going. So let me set the camera down so I can get up here. I'm afraid of heights, so this is part of I got a 75-foot cable. The cables are over there. And then it goes all the way back down this way to my living room, and that's where my router is. All right, so now it's really hot up here. It's probably like at least 100. It's gonna be 90 today, so it's already really hot in my attic. I live in Arizona, and it's about 11 a.m. So you really want to get this done kind of early in the morning before it starts getting too hot. Now, oh, here we go. Because so I did tie these together, so I was gonna try to feed it through, but it didn't work out. So let's see if I can't set this down. All right, that was easy. So I untied them, and I got them all hooked in, and that's it. So now I need to we got to come back over here. Now we got to find my screwdriver. So my door's about right here, and I'm assuming the tent's probably somewhere right over there. So actually, it doesn't look like there is, because I could see the, I'm gonna say that looks like the sheetrock, so I'm hoping I'm hoping I could just see the screwdriver. Oh yes, and always make sure to step on your studs. Don't mess up and step somewhere else, because yeah, it will be bad. I'm looking for it. This is like over here. Oh, there it is. You guys see it? Right there. There's my screwdriver. See my screwdriver sticking up right there? So I got my screwdriver out. Now it's time to put this in. Just so you guys can see. Dude, it is hot up there. I am sweating my butt off. So let's get this Ethernet hooked up. Yeah, my garage is a little messy from the last project. I still need to clean it up some. So I have a little insert here, a little tiny 4-inch hole. There we go. Now this yellow one is the Ethernet, and boom, there we go. We can unplug this guy, and now we do no longer need him. Whew, there we go. I'll clean up the cable and, you know, cable manage it to the back, and I gotta fix that hose. And but just to give you like a little update on my temps here, 87.4. It was at least 10 degrees hotter before I did this fix. So the garage is cracked. And I have a little bit of air coming in from the house only because there was too much negative pressure. So, but my cards are doing great. I was just doing a little video log of an update, you know, running some Ethernet out to my tent. So hey, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll catch you next time.